Ever wondered how a website can instantly tell you're a real human even when it doesn't ask you to solve a puzzle, click traffic lights, or type distorted letters? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're breaking down how websites silently identify humans using invisible signals running constantly in the background. The moment you load a page, your browser begins producing behavioral signals that are extremely hard to fake, such as how your mouse moves in smooth and perfect curves instead of sharp, straight lines, how your finger scrolls with micro pauses and inconsistent speed, how quickly you react to page changes, and how your typing rhythm includes tiny timing variations between keystrokes, all of which bots struggle to replicate because automated scripts tend to behave too perfectly or too consistently. At the same time, websites build a device fingerprint using dozens of low-level characteristics exposed by your browser, including screen resolution, refresh rate, operating system quirks, installed fonts, GPU and driver behavior, audio processing signatures, battery status, time zone, language settings, and even subtle differences in how your device renders visible graphics using Canvas and WebGL, which together create a probabilistic identity that looks natural for a real device but suspiciously uniform for bots running in virtual machines. Network signals add another layer where sites analyze IP reputation, ASN ownership, whether the traffic originates from residential internet service providers or cloud data centers, packet timing jitter, TCP and TLS handshake patterns, and request frequency, because human traffic usually looks noisy and irregular, while automated traffic is often clean, fast, and repetitive. All of this data feeds into real-time machine learning risk engines trained on billions of sessions, which continuously score your behavior and environment, deciding whether you feel human, suspicious, or clearly automated, all without interrupting your experience. This is where CAPTCHA comes in, not as the main defense, but as a last resort verification step, because modern CAPTCHA systems rarely rely on the puzzle itself, instead using it to confirm a decision already made by background analysis, meaning if you see a CAPTCHA, the system is already unsure about you. Even so-called invisible CAPTCHAs work by monitoring your interactions, JavaScript execution timing, and browser integrity signals, only showing a challenge if your risk score crosses a threshold. Some platforms even deploy silent JavaScript challenges that measure how your device executes complex code, exposing performance characteristics that are extremely difficult to spoof in automated environments. So without asking you a single question, websites quietly combine behavioral analysis, device fingerprinting, network intelligence, and AI-driven risk scoring to decide whether you're human, all in a matter of milliseconds. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the invisible systems protecting the modern web, make sure you subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more fascinating explanations. And as always, stay curious.